about this little light on TikTok, boy. I tell you what, that's a bright little joker. Man, that brought that off TikTok. Now that's on low. Look at that. That's on low. Man, that's bright little joker there. Ah, no, yep. Right off TikTok. Look on high, you really can see. That's high there. Yeah. Man, I tell you, I liked that. That's worth my money there. Run off 20-volt DeWalt battery. So it's worth my money. Alrighty, I got a pool, y'all. No leaks. 410A, 128. I'm gonna let her cool off tonight. I told her I'd be back here probably Friday. Man, that line good and cold, yeah. And check it again. It held, I put 9 pounds in there. So, it held about 10 pounds, so it's close to I'm gonna get it. I don't want to get it right down there, but yeah, she good and cold. I'm gonna let her run probably about Friday. And I'll come back down here and check her again and see what the pressure is, see if I got another leak. I got to remember that's what it was. That's what it was. Yep. Okay, we'll talk to y'all later.